Mountain bike handlebars help riders with easy handling, maintain balance, reduce hand fatigues, and offer superior control over their MTBs while riding on the most strenuous trail. However, after a certain period of MTB riding, handlebars start to crack or delaminate, and so riders need to upgrade their handlebars. But most of the time, they don't get the desired handlebars as the market is flooded with lots of faulty mountain bike handlebars. Therefore, in today's video, we've discussed the 5 best carbon mountain bike handlebars that fit most mountain bikes and are highly rugged, durable, light, and offer excellent control to ride downhill or on any other uneven trails. So let's get started.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
With unmatched durability and crazy low weight, the RaceFace 6DH handlebar outperforms other handlebars and can provide you with ultimate control while riding over uneven trails. It is constructed of heavy-duty UD carbon that will easily last after several mountain cycling sessions. This handlebar comes with an excellent weight of 785mm and has a bar rise of about 19mm, which lets you stay stable while riding on trails. Besides, this carbon handlebar contains an 8-degree backsweep and a 4-degree upsweep, offering you a more comfortable ride while offering improved balance. Lastly is super light, weighing only 7.76 ounces. That means it doesn't add too much weight to your MTB bike. Instead of that, it offers you easy maneuverability. Overall, this RaceFace 6DH handlebar is rugged, extremely durable, and light that'll help you gear up your performance limit every time you ride on rough trails. Crafted from high-quality material and designed to boost your cycling performance, this Funn Black Ace Carbon suits riders who demand a perfect balance between rigidity and weight. It is made out of premium quality UD carbon, making it super stiff yet comfortable and light, weighing only 6.8 ounces. It allows you to maneuver this handlebar with utmost comfort. With 785mm bar weight and 31.8mm bar clamp, this Black Ace handlebar can provide you with ultimate comfort and control to paddle on hard trails. Apart from that, this MTB handlebar has different riser options, including 7, 15, and 30mm, and you can go with one bar rise that suits your needs. It also offers a variety of back and up sweeps. You can get 5 and 8 degrees of back sweep and 2 as well as 5.5 degrees of upsweep, offering easy handling. All said, this Funn Black Ace Carbon boasts cutting-edge technology to endure elite racer abuse and give you the confidence to go faster on the most challenging terrains. Featuring a wide bar with decent clamp area, rise, and sweeps, this Renthal Fatbar Carbon 35 is a result of in-depth research and is poised to become a standard handlebar for your dirt-devouring MTBs. It is made of unidirectional carbon fibers that are layered to maximize its strength and fine-tune its stiffness. Plus, this material makes it highly durable and provides you with incredible control on uneven trails. Like other high-quality MTB handlebars, it also boasts an excellent bar rise of about 20mm, a bar clamp of of 35mm and it is 800mm wide. It also contains a 7-degree back sweep and a 5-degree upsweep, enabling you to stay prepared for an attacking downhill ride. Finally, it is exceptionally light, weighing only 7.9 ounces, which aids in maneuvering this handlebar comfortably. In conclusion, if you're a serious MTB rider and want a super wide handlebar that offers a blend of stiffness and comfort, then this Renthal Fatbar Carbon 35 will surely match your needs. Combining unique ride characteristics in a patent-pending oval-shaped design, the OneUp component's carbon handlebar minimizes arm pump and vibration and, as a result, maximizes steering response. First of all, this carbon fiber-made mountain bike handlebar is very lightweight, weighing only at around 7.7 ounces, yet very durable. It provides you with confidence and forgiveness for the big descents with its 35mm clamp diameter and 800mm wide. Besides, it has got a patent-pending oval shape combining the best ride characteristics of 31.8mm and 35mm bar standards into one package, which effectively makes your riding comfortable and easy. All in all, the OneUp component's carbon handlebar is engineered to feel great in your hands, allowing you to ride for a longer time with utmost confidence, especially for the big descents. As the best overall carbon mountain bike handlebar on our list, we have the Deity component Speedway 35 carbon riser. This carbon bar is the strongest one available in the market today and is significantly refined so that you can push your limits while maintaining complete control of your ride. Deity prides itself in making this unidirectional carbon handlebar that looks good and works well on the bike. Its 35mm clamp diameter delivers appropriate feel and stiffness so that you can ride with maximum confidence. Apart from that, it has an 810mm wide handlebar. Well, if you think it is too wide for you, you can make it shorter according to your preference. You can cut it down effortlessly because of the markings on it. In a sense, whether it's bombing a descent at top speeds or crushing a climb, the Deity component Speedway 35 carbon riser will always allow you to be the fastest with utmost confidence, comfort, and control. So that was all about the 5 best carbon mountain bike handlebars just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.